Well, tonight, CBS 2 Sharon Tay shows us one engaged couple who are ready to say I do at the altar and to wedding insurance.
Forsaking all others.
Some women dream of this day their entire lives, the fairy tale wedding. But what if that dream suddenly turns into a nightmare? These YouTube videos show weddings gone bad.
Oh, God. No! Oh, my God!
And moments like these are what engaged couple Maureen Tamuri and Glenn Mickich of Calabasas hope to avoid at their own wedding.
I'm worried about my cake.
So Maureen wants to make sure they're covered.
You don't want to think about things that can go wrong. And so I think it's a wise brides like myself who are purchasing insurance.
Not just any insurance, but wedding insurance. According to a recent survey conducted by Brides Magazine, the average cost of an American wedding is $28,000. And while wedding insurance has been around for nearly 20 years, more couples are now taking out policies to protect their investment.
Your photographer, your cake, your venue, your food. I mean, it all adds up really, really fast, and it's just a way to cover yourself.
This kind of policy, this kind of coverage is for peace of mind.
Pete Moraga of the Insurance Information Network of California says wedding insurance has become popular for its inclusive coverage.
That liability coverage is really important, and sometimes you don't get that liability out of your traditional policies.
When the gal says I do, then it's time for the man to go buy the wedding insurance.
Robert Nucio, president of RV Nucio and Associates, has been underwriting wedding insurance since 1991.
The people that are putting on the wedding want to have a little financial security in case something happens. You know, the caterer goes out of business or the venue closes down. Maybe the dress doesn't come through in time.
A basic cancellation policy for an average wedding costs about $200 and the cheapest policy, $95. Depending on policies purchased, wedding insurance can be bought up to 24 hours before the event, covering anything from canceling or postponing a wedding, insuring the gifts, jewelry, liability, and medical payments of the wedding, just to name a few.
If the event gets canceled, it doesn't put the event back on for you. It pays for you to do that.
It even covers lost deposits, and if the photographer is a no-show, no problem. Wedding insurance will pay out to restage the entire event, including travel, clothing, and all wedding costs for the couple and their immediate family.
Some of the options were actually a little shocking.
Including change of heart to reimburse the innocent financier of the wedding, and psychological counseling for couples with cold feet.
What you're talking about is protecting an investment that we as a couple are making.
And for Maureen and Glenn, having wedding insurance is a guarantee. They'll have their cake and eat it too. This is Sharon Tay, CBS 2 News.
Now, wedding insurance providers say they've already paid out millions of dollars in claims. Locally, RV Nucio and Associates say the most popular claims now are for loss of deposits and cancellations due to vendors or venues going out of business.